woke up at 3 a.m. a while ago. It's already 7:30. Luca woke me up kasi he needed to use the potty. And ever since then, hindi na ako nakatulog. Gosh, it's too full. Okay, super funny story lang. Ang dami-dami namin ganitong kitchen rolls because I think a month ago, Frankie went to Landers by himself. And then I told him that he needed to buy toilet paper kasi naubusan na kami sa bahay. In Landers, tinatabi nila ito beside their toilet rolls. And when you look at it, when it's stacked all together, hindi mo makikita yung difference. Pag nagmamadali ka, you can just grab the wrong bag. And that's what happened. So, bumili siya ng two big packs of these. Kaya, wala na. Ang dami namin kitchen towels. It's a rainy day today. Oh my gosh, ba't may langaw nakapasok dito? I don't have a fly swatter here. Out. Tulog pa silang lahat. Just enjoying my quiet time right now. Because when you're a mom, you really value those pockets of quiet. Lalo na when you have dinosaur toddlers like mine. Oh my God. So I really look forward to my quiet time. My alone time. Good morning.
Mommy.
She told me not. The time look up. Oh.
Who wants to eat pandesal bread? Luca, it's Coco's turn now. If you want to stand, thank you, Puy, for right here. I'll pull you. Kuya. Thank you, Daddy. You the best. I wasn't able to watch Dragon Ball.
Napanood ko na ito, high school na.
We ordered the Vienna Creamy Latte. This is really good.
Called Makahiya. Touch it, it will close. The leaves.
See? Magic.
Oh, get me. Magic.